Chicos, ¿qué más? ¿Cómo están? Bueno, ahorita vamos a empezar a bajar al embalse Amaní. Se llama embalse Amaní por una tribu indígena que se llamaba los amaníes como tal. En este momento nos vamos a dirigir para un tour que se llama Tres Cascadas por el río Moro. ¿Listo? Vamos a conocer tres cascadas, las cuales una se llama Waterloo, Sasaima y Finlandia. En las tres nos vamos a bañar y nos vamos a parchar un ratico. Ahí van viendo, muchachos.
Everyone's taking their shot, but missing out on the cut. I think she knows that. She drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes them want it so bad. It's the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool. But I want her to. Oh yeah, ripped skinny jeans and tattoos on both her ankles. 21 pilot t-shirt, got some stuff. Goddamn, she's so fly, knows how to